saw that 1320 put my interview with the Narcs card in the tech line yesterday. We're the first interview of Race Week 2.0. Holy shit! All right, guys, you are in luck. We have Eric with Destroyer 1320 and Dan the IT guy. Dan, IT guy. They drove all the way from Phoenix to come here, and the rest of Rocky Mountain Race Week.
Yeah, we're gonna follow them guys everywhere they go.
It's gonna be nuts.
Watch this maniac rip.
Hang on, we're over here. Go find the Destroyer 1320. It is in the description down below the link, and perfect, y'all.
We're not gonna drag race though, because this thing run 9, so I can't keep up with that thing.
9s and 8s.
Oh,
yeah. You're set. You're fine. You can be there. All right, guys.
See ya.
Oh, here we go. You guys want to see what 5 more horse looks like? Bam.
Right there.
Right there's 5 more horse.
Woo!
Hey guys, day 2. It is early as hell. I didn't get to sleep till like 2:30 last night and slept like she ate. Okay, Dustin's in taking a shower now. We got to get on the road. It's 5:40ish, something like that, and 301 leaves at 6, and they don't mean 6:10. So we are cutting bait and running. I'm already dressed, already showered. You can tell by my beautiful hair here, and we're finna get to work. Here we go. Let's do it.
I gotta get an adapter so I can log into the PCM.
I'll run whatever they want. They'll have a small block for it, big block for it.
Yeah.
Mopar, I don't care.
Well, you gotta try everything.
Yeah.
At least it's not valve cover gaskets on Hank's motor.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like my distributor gasket mostly.
I know.
And my valve cover.
Morning, Stoney.
Come on, Bubba.
Here we are.
Yeah.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Yeah, it is. Somebody's neighborhood.
I mean, my distributor gasket definitely. He's gonna rip one out. You know we're gonna get it. Do it, pussy!
Build a box body one day.
Woo! Look at that miniman! Woo! here in Topeka. We are a little more set up today. We went in and threw the tent up, and we're gonna swap out to these shorter tires in hopes that we can get a little more mile per hour out of the end and get into the 14s. We're gonna start by opening the exhaust cutout and pulling the air filter out of here and see what we can get that way, and go from there. All right, guys, here's the new look for Topeka. Little mismatch wheel, big tire up front, small tire out back. So if this works and we get up in the 14s, we will find a local tire shop that can get us some used tires that closely match those, and that's what we'll run for the next couple days till we burn them off. Guys, I'm sorry I didn't record any of that. We did a great burnout. 13-20 videos all up there getting video. I forgot. Golly, it felt better than the last one, so here we go. Let's see. Gosh damn. 15-2-57 at 87.89 miles an hour. So same exact time as yesterday. Big Smoky?
Big Smoky? I'm okay with that.
Perfect, perfect.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
What tires are these?
I don't know. Shitty ones.
One's to burn, right?
Yeah, that's exactly
Perfect.
right.
Good answer.
Come on, show me a 14. Show me a 14.
Nope.
Hey, it's faster.
Well, I'm surprised.
It's my fastest.
Not bad for a ground dig.
15-17 at 88.68 miles an hour. We can go to the future. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, cool. We're done for the night. We're going to the hotel. All right, guys, we're back. Day 2. I'm gonna turn in my 15-17 pass in unlimited.
Still alive though.
Yep. We're
White-haired guy? Oh, yeah.
all right, guys. I don't know if you can see any of this, but we have our route card for tomorrow, and I'm gonna end the video here. So thanks to all the new subscribers. We certainly appreciate you guys. Thanks to everybody that's been around forever. Really, thanks to y'all. It has been a fun couple days. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna run a 14 before the end of the week, whether we gotta cut bars off or whatever. So, all right, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks a bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll trade.
I get to keep this.
I don't know if I need for the wider
You see that car right there? Broken connecting rod. You
Hey,
need,
we're glad you came.
you
though.
need both.
We were like
I'm
concerned.
happy
you
to be
weren't gonna
here.
get
I'm happy to be here.
So, are you coming tomorrow? You staying a week? What are you doing?
I'm gonna go as far as I can go while still getting home time for my wedding anniversary.
There you go.
So I think I can make tomorrow.
Yeah, and y'all been married a long time. Should be.
Well, she's kind of used to me not being there, which is why being there would, score some points. It balances out the fact that there's 20 grand right there, and she'll be like,
Don't say money. Everything's $300.
oh, she knows.
Welcome.
What size would you?
XL. My wife's in there.
Taking an XL and
And I've got $21, and I can bring you some more back in a minute.
I would. You're in the hunt.
How are y'all?
Good.
Okay, what are you?
They're $50 for 2 of them.
Okay, cool. I'll have to bring you some money back in this one. So hold them right over there.
I trust
I've
you.
got $21. I've got 21 there.
How much you need, Mike?
30.
30? Let's see if I got 30.
It's actually not even 30.
It's been under my.
Okay, wait, there's
your back.
Oh, hold on, there's 40. So I owe you 10.
Cool.
So hold on.
Look at this.
Math.
I'll end up losing anyway.
No, I'm the king of buy high, sell low. Trust me.
Well, we sure are glad you came all the way over here.
Yes.
How long did you cry last night? Was it like hours?
I didn't at all. I'm kind of used to it at this point. So I was like, I gotta be honest. I got to it didn't break till I got on the return route, and I was like, whew, didn't put it in the wall. Okay,
There you go.
Fine. It is what it is. You know?
Besides, if you don't break it, you're not trying hard enough.
Yeah, I mean, literally, the guy in front of me put it in the wall. So I knew I killed the motor, but I didn't put it in the wall. So I was like, whatever. I'll get it beer and it'll be fine. Yeah.
So hey, I do have a question.
Yeah.
So Finnegan's gas station that was on 12, is it the same Finnegan's that was on that's now in Bentonville?
You want me to sign this? I absolutely will. Say that again.
So there's a Finnegan's gas station that was out on Highway 12 in Rogers.
That was my parents' place.
Right? Is it the same Finnegan's that's in Bentonville? No. There's
No.
like a Finnegan's liquor
No,
store.
they retired.
I don't blame
Yeah, they retired. They sold it, so the name's not on the store anymore.
Yep.
But the store's still there.
Now it's something
Every now and
else.
again, the poor people that bought it like will holler and be like, "We got another one. We got another one that did a burnout in front of the store."
That's awesome. That's awesome. Cool. Hey, thanks. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Where's
Newburn? I don't know. Just scream newborn. Yep, coming out.
I think it's still recording.
yeah.